Hey y'all, this is how I maintain my pixie cut in between perm appointments. The first step is to do a hot treatment oil after washing my hair, and then I style it with foam. And then wrap it. And then apply a dryer cap. I look like an alien. I dry my hair, and when it's dry, I add a few tracks. Then style. I love this flat iron. It's perfect for my pixie cut. Yes, it's giving bang. And then this edge control is the best edge control I've ever used. It's definitely worth the hype.